Look at that.
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies! What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been a while since I have come to you guys with a video. Y'all, really, it has been a lot, okay? It's getting real out here with coronavirus. So first and foremost, I want to say my thoughts and prayers are with anyone who has, themselves or their family members experiencing, coronavirus or happen to be quarantined with that, as well as our medical workers. My thoughts and prayers and really just my deep gratitude goes out to everyone who is considered an essential worker. So today we are going to be doing a wash and go. We are kind of killing two birds with one stone and hoping for the best, hoping for a positive outcome, because I really don't know how this is about to turn out. What is this? Mousse Def. So the texture foam from the Doux. I know I am so late to the train with this product. You guys have been asking me to try this product for a wash and go for a while now. If you guys follow my channel, or if you are an OG cousin, or if you are just familiar with my wash and go videos, then you know that I am a heavy gel girl. I like heavy gels for my wash and goes for the longevity, for the non-tangle factor, just like the maintenance factor of it all. And I've seen great results with people using this mousse for a wash and go, and I've also seen, hot mess results. Like, I just personally don't think it'll hold by itself. So I am also going to be trying Wetline Xtreme. Yeah, so I have been seeing these videos pop up as well. So I was interested in trying it because apparently this is a new formula, child. I ain't even looked at the ingredients. But you guys know, for me personally, the original formula of the Wetline Xtreme was just a little bit too much for me, for my wash and goes. Like, I definitely could make it work. It definitely gave me great definition and longevity, but it just had just a little too much hold, especially since I am more on the lower density side. It tended to make my hair really flat. I'm hoping it may be the opposite for me. Like, since the other formula was a little too strong for me, maybe I'll like this one better. So we're just gonna see. I'm going to put this on first. I'm gonna basically layer the products. I do already have my leave-in conditioner in my hair, which is, of course, the Paul Mitchell The Conditioner. It's one of my holy grail leave-in conditioners. So my hair is already washed and prepped, and I'm just gonna jump right into the wash and go. So I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style my hair, and we're gonna hope for the best. styling my hair, and obviously there is some mismatch shrinking going on because this time I styled the whole right side of my head and then the whole left side of my head. If you normally watch my wash and go videos or how I do my wash and goes, I normally do back to front, but I wash my hair right to left. So today I was like, I should probably style my hair right to left simply because of how it starts to dry. So obviously this side has already started to shrink versus the side that I just finished. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this side also is more defined than this side. I have a little bit of frizz going on here. And one thing that I will say when I'm trying new products on two different sides of my head, I like to test different methods. I did shingle both sides of my hair, although I didn't show you guys this side to save time. But I did shingle in smaller sections on this side, so it took me a little bit longer, and it did give me just a more defined, oh, look at that. All right, guys, these are the final results, and it's the next day, and I may or may not have on the same thing that I had on last night when I started this wash and go, but listen. Okay. Don't judge me. So yeah, so this is technically, I guess, day 2 hair, since my hair did get completely dry on day 1, but it was really late at night, and I kind of like to let my hair kind of like lay on it and everything. I kind of like to lay on my hair and get it kind of old before I start to like expect anything of it. As far as this wash and go goes, I'm gonna just keep it real. It looks good, but again, one of my main issues with Wetline Xtreme is not the definition, not the look that I get from my hair. It's just my hair tends to feel just a smidge, like a smidge, because a gel is gonna gel. A gel is, you know, it's not a moisturizer, so I don't expect it to be. But my hair does tend to feel a smidge drier when I use Wetline Xtreme. And I did use my Holy Grail leave-in conditioner, which is the Paul Mitchell The Conditioner, which makes my hair really soft. So I did give it a moisture factor there because I wasn't expecting the mousse to moisturize my hair. I feel like if I would have combined just the mousse and the Wetline Xtreme, I think that really would have been a no. So if anybody is going to attempt to try this product, I definitely recommend putting a super moisturizing leave-in conditioner before you go in with the mousse and then with the gel, and that'll just better your chances of getting that soft, juicy factor that we also love with our wash and goes along with definition. So if I can have both, I try to have both. I just think it's going to be something that I'm going to have to find the perfect heavy cream combo to go with it. I don't know what that's going to be because I'm usually not a heavy cream girl, but I think if I want to have the best of both worlds, which is super definition and longevity plus moisture with this Wetline Xtreme, I just need to find a good cream moisturizer to go underneath. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you've tried the new one and have been pairing it with some things, leave that down in the comment section. Give me some suggestions that I can try to maintain my wash and go. I'm just going to be sleeping in a scarf, probably in a hot pineapple or on a satin pillowcase. That's pretty much all I do. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Now that you guys are all subscribed and you're commenting down in the comment section, also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so YouTube don't play your girl. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.